Mighty Itsy Bitsies, it's Itsy Bitsie Time. Are you ready to learn about the ocean and play a few games? Yeah, me too. Come along, come along.
Let's jump right in and let's play a game.
Do you want to play?
I'm so excited. I love I Spy games. Will you play with me?
In the next picture, we need to find the octopus, the jellyfish, the starfish, and the shark. Ready?
Yeah.
Where's the octopus? There it is. Now can you find the jellyfish? There it is. How about the starfish? Oh, this one's hard. There it is. And the shark. Do you see the shark? Yeah, there it is. Let's do another one.
Let's do it again.
We'll count the fish together and put them into the tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 colorful fish.
So something really cool is that over 70% of the Earth is covered in the ocean. That means there's more ocean than land, and almost all of our water comes from the ocean. Let's take a look. I can't really see well under the water. Is there something I could wear to help me see better? Yeah, we could wear goggles or a mask. We can wear a mask and a snorkel so we can swim and look underneath the water. Come, let's try it. Wow, I can see much better underwater now. What do you see?
I see a group of fish. A group of fish swimming together in unison, meaning in the same way. Well, that's called a school of fish. Fish school together with other fish just like them in order to eat, to protect themselves against enemies, and to socialize. A school of fish might swim in a long, thin line, a square shape, an oval shape, or sometimes just in a group that's constantly changing shape. Adults might learn to scuba dive so they can swim under the water for a long time. Underwater, sometimes dolphins will come and say hello. They're very friendly. Dolphins that live in the ocean are often called bottlenose dolphins because of the long snout on their face. Did you know that dolphins are actually not fish? Yeah, they're mammals. They give birth just like humans do. They don't lay eggs like fish do. And they breathe with their lungs just like you and I do. Because they can't breathe underwater, dolphins come to the surface every 5 to 7 minutes to breathe through their blowhole. Then they hold their breath and go back underwater. A group of dolphins is called a pod. They're very social and usually travel in groups or pods of around 10 to 15 dolphins. Oh my! What's this? With big, sharp teeth. Yeah, it's a shark. They're fish, and most sharks lay eggs.
Awesome!
They have gills to help them breathe underwater. the gills extract or take oxygen out of the water.
Awesome! Super!
Oh, wow! This is one of my favorite types of fish. It's an anemone fish, but many people call it the clownfish. Clownfish inhabit or live in coral reefs in the warm, shallow waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. You can find them living with sea anemones, and they make their home among the tentacles. But don't sea anemones sting? Well, clownfish form a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. This means that it's mutual. They're friends and they benefit each other. For example, the clownfish, it helps the sea anemone to be parasite-free. That means free from little buggies.
Excellent!
And it provides the anemone with food. Since the clownfish does all these nice things to help the anemone will allow the clownfish to use its space and hide inside the tentacles for safety against predators.
Awesome!
Inside the anemone's tentacles, the clownfish is safe. It has a mucus layer on its skin, and that's what protects it from the stinging tentacles of the anemone. But clownfish's enemies, they can't go inside or they'll be stung. Clownfish are fish, so that means that they lay eggs. They can lay 100 to 1,000 eggs. And clownfish, they live in groups called schools, a school of clownfish. What do clownfish eat? Well, clownfish are omnivorous animals. That means they eat both plants and animals. So they're not herbivores, which only eat plants, and they're not carnivores, which almost always eat meat. They eat a little bit of both. So we call them omnivorous.
It's so exciting! There are so many different things in the ocean.
What's this one?
Yeah, jellyfish. Jellyfish are found all over the world. They're found in every ocean, in every corner of the planet, from the coldest freezing waters of the Arctic Ocean to warm waters of the tropical oceans. But jellyfish, they're not actually fish. They have no bones, no blood, no brain, and no heart. They're invertebrates, meaning animals with no bones. Many insects and bugs are invertebrates also.
Awesome!
But jellyfish, they have only a very basic nervous system. With receptors, they detect light, vibrations, different changes in the water. These abilities, along with their ability to sense gravity, that allows the jellyfish to navigate or direct itself in the water. Something so cool is that many jellyfish have bioluminescent organs, which emit blue or green light when they're agitated, meaning when a big wave crashes or something disturbs them. So they kind of glow in the dark.
No way!
They only live 3 to 6 months, and they could be tiny or enormous. The largest jellyfish recorded was seen in Massachusetts Bay in 1870. The top of it was 7 feet 6 inches across diameter, and its tentacles were 121 feet long. That's longer than a blue whale. Remember though, never touch a jellyfish. Many of them have tentacles that sting, and that would hurt a lot if you touch them. That's how they protect themselves. What else can you find in the ocean? Yeah, turtles. There are sea turtles that live in the ocean. There are so many different creatures in the ocean. What's this one? Can you tell? Yeah,
That's an octopus. Wow. There are so many interesting facts about octopus. Did you know they actually swim backwards by blasting water through a muscular tube on their body? It's called a siphon. It's made of muscles, and they pump water through it so that they can swim up to 25 miles per hour. That's 40 kilometers an hour. That's as fast as cars that drive in your neighborhood, maybe. How many arms do octopus have? Yeah, they're really well known for having 8 arms and powerful suckers, the suction cups on the octopus's arms. They use those to grab food, move rocks, or crawl along the ocean floor or over coral. They can also crawl around to poke their arms into small openings and search for food.
Awesome.
But what do octopus eat? Well, they're carnivores. So that means they eat other animals like crabs, shrimps, and lobsters are some of their favorite food. Yummy! But sometimes they're known to go after larger animals like sharks. Where's the octopus? Can you see it? Wow, octopus can change color to blend in with their surroundings. That's how an octopus defends itself. It hides right in front of you because the skin cells, they can change color on an octopus to camouflage it. Camouflage means it looks just like the things that are around it. Octopus are invertebrates, meaning they have no bones, no skeleton. That means octopus can squeeze into tight spaces. Where'd he go? Bye-bye, octopus.
Bye-bye.
There are so many more interesting things to learn about octopuses and all the creatures under the sea. I'm going to go learn some more and see you next time.
Oh, that was fun. Thanks for watching Itsy Bitsie Time. Hey adults, want more videos or activity resources for your Mighty Itsy Bitsie? Just search for Itsy Bitsie Time and this video's code. See you next time.